Second team having some issues. Hope everyone's having a good weekend. All, all these pop-ups, all these pop-ups. There we go. Um, New week ahead, new week. Hopefully no turbulence or no freaking data. So let's see what we got, guys. Let me share my screen. There we go. Expand this bad boy. Mhm.
Jeremiah, you want me to open the bread?
Let's go.
And ketchup?
So we should have a regular trading week this week, team. I don't see a lot of. We'll pull up the calendar, of course, but let's just see what we're looking like on the daily. We look good, we look good. It looks good for the Bulls, man. The Bulls looking good this week. All right, let's see what we got on the. I'm not even gonna pull up the calendar because we're over here talking about tomorrow, right? So there's nothing going on tomorrow, but I'll definitely verify. 1 second. I usually pull up the one climbing, send me, but yeah, nothing. Just got a speaker. All right, nothing. All right, that's all I wanted to see. So on the daily, we're basically right under, what's this? This 510, 512 level. Yeah, basically 512, right? Which is resistance around here, slightly reject here, and basically over here as well, it does reject around 512 on the underside, of course. So this is telling me we could go to 513 because 513 looks like it's gonna be sticky area. Let me see. Yeah, 513 is around here. Actually, 514. I apologize again. 514. So we could go to 514, maybe 515, and then get hit hard to the downside, just because that is a supply area on SPY. We got 1, 2 off of a gap of 2 green days, but we got a first ignition on this MACD, which gives me the sense that we could have one more green day before they try to pull us back. So I would honestly just watch this level, or what's this? So it did go up after hours, but 512, like 80 is a good level to watch to see if we're gonna go to 515. So I'll put an alert here. If the Bears do decide to come in, which I doubt, I highly doubt they're gonna come in, I would watch, I would say around here, this 510 level, or 520, whatever, 510 20, 510 10, and take the 510 puts. But I don't think we're gonna pull back. I think the Bulls are probably gonna live it one more day, and then if anything, we start pulling back like Tuesday, but looks bullish on everything right now. So 510 10 is a good for shorts, and then what's this? The long will be 520 80. So after hours leaked a little bit, so we might get these ranges to hold until the morning. But overall, SPY is trying to still hold this uptrend. There's a little uptrend happening. As you can see, I have sorry, this trend line going to the upside from the past Zoom sessions. We slightly went under, but reclaimed it with power. Q's has a stronger trend line, in my opinion, than the SPYs, as you guys can see. It went in there a little bit, and the buys just ripped it back up. They didn't like it that low. So same thing goes on these indicators as SPY. It's literally identical if you ask me. So we're gonna for the shorts, I will say watch what's this level? What the hell? That is definitely wrong. So let me just delete it. Reset. Whole reset. I for some reason doesn't want to delete. Whatever. Know what I'm gonna do? I'll put it back. Damn, I can't even move it out the way either. Wow. What about here? No. Hold on, guys. Let me refresh it. There we go. Okay. Jeez. Sometimes just need to refresh things. All right, so I will watch around here to see if we're gonna go short. It could go down to the 50 EMA from 433. Let's do 05, so you could get that 433 short. Could go all the way up to here, guys. This area, which is, let me see what number this is. It's a little, almost $3. It's not bad. And for longs, I want to get above the underside supply reject area, which is, you know what? Let's see how we look above this VP line. This green line is that's across my screen. So if we get above there, I think the Qs look good to go. So let's do 438.50. All right, gang, for the longs. Those two areas to keep a nice little tight range. I think once it breaks that, we good, but overall, they both look strong. So let's see what we're doing on these chip names. AMD first, right? And then NVIDIA. Is AMD finally gonna get out of this freaking downtrend? I don't know, guys. Let's see. I mean, I wouldn't touch it unless we get above 154.10. So mark that area. Kind of looks like Q's and SPY with this RSI. But the downtrend is still in, guys. It's not really, it hasn't broken at all. Like, you draw your trend line straight from the top down, it still hasn't even broken. So, NVIDIA is the winner, like always. Um, damn, let me see. I think once we break here, I think you're good to go. So 907, break. Probably take the 950 calls. See, Apple. So chips looking, well, these two chips look good. I don't know about the rest. Okay, Apple. That is a nasty daily candle on Apple. And we're outside the Bollinger. Yeah, it's gonna go down. It's gonna pull back, guys. Apple's gonna pull back maybe to here. So I'll put an alert here to watch Apple. So watch Apple around 180.20, I'll say. So extended outside the Bollinger Band, guys. That's fine. Look, this looks good though, but it could bounce. It could bounce off the top of the Bali and try to go up. So I'm watching that area. Microsoft, green light. Bulls look clean here overall. Just got to clear this 21 and 50, and I'll say we're good to go. Um, let's do 80 crack. Yeah, 4980. Everything's good on our side too. So Google. Okay, meta gap filling, meta cap filling, maybe. Mm-hmm. So, in order for meta to be continuous, I think we gotta see a 460, which is, ooh, that's a $6 move. Okay, yeah, meta's trying to gap fill. I don't know if it's gonna go back down though. It's probably gonna pull back. This is the crack. I'm gonna play the bottom of the daily candle on Friday to see if this 45 holds. 445. That's resistance right here, and kind of resistance here and here. So it's like resistance turn support. If it's really gonna gap fill, I think it should bounce from there to try to go higher. Google, okay, Google is very interesting to see to inside the Bollinger Band because it was so extended out. Oh, Google. Google Mac looks good. But the Bollinger Band is so tight, it's crazy. Um, I put an alert on both ends. Watch this. 168.95. And for the shorts, I will watch this level right here. Netflix, we in this still. We still look good, y'all. We in Netflix still. We've been holding it for like 4 days. Yeah, we still look good, man. We're gonna crack this 9 and 50, then we should go, in my opinion, to 593 at least. I think I'll get out of the swing there. Bullish, yeah, bullish on Netflix. If you missed it, I will wait till, yeah, we'll just wait till you get above 584, like 15 to see if you get in longs. If you missed a swing from last week, let's see. Amazon looks very interesting here because we got a red candle towards resistance, big resistance. But this looks good and this looks good, right? I wish it was a green candle because it'll give me more confidence to continue up. But since it's a red one, it's gonna be a tough play in my opinion. But I'm gonna delete this shit. Excuse. Of course, you're not gonna delete, but for some reason today you want me to refresh it. All right. So, I want to pull back because I'm gonna put two levels. I'm gonna watch it break above here, but I'm not bearish at all. I'm just trying to see what type of bull move we could get. We could either get the breakout move off the highs, right? Or we could get the pullback bounce. So if we do pull back off this Friday candle, it shouldn't go lower than here, in my opinion, if it does pull back. So I'll put it there, lower day, right? All right. Lower day bounce entry, Amazon maybe. Tesla's the last one, and then we off to the races, yeah. Um, mm-mm-mm. I'm in a lotto, guys. 200s this week. Okay, I mean, this could be worse. I know it's 4 red days, right? One, two, three, 4 red days, but it's a very accumulated, like it's just accumulating. Like it's not really heavy price action to the downside for these bears to be here. So I'm calling it bluff basically. So if we just do not want to go away. I'm gonna keep this long alert here. It's 186.65 because it looks like it wants to bear flag, but the bear flag can start getting negated if we started climbing higher. So I like it just for the fact that 4 days of red and it stood in this price range. That's just me trying to reprice action. All right, gang, let me talk some names so we could get the Heck out of here. Keep you out here long on a Sunday. Let's do this. Uh, next, I got Disney. What else I got? Hold on, y'all. My shit is loaded. Okay. So we got Disney. We got TSN. I remember I was telling my boy Seif about TSN before the market closed on Friday. It looks good, but they got earnings and it's winning. I didn't even know they have it. Oh, so disregard. This is gonna be IV watch tomorrow, guys. TSN. I didn't know they had earnings tomorrow. My bad, yeah. So TSN IV watch continuation, but it looks bullish. Doesn't look bearish. That's originally why I added it to the list because it was bullish. So now we got the rip-off rat Disney on board as well this week to tell us some earnings. So we got a nice trend line going on here. We got one touch, two, three, four, five, six, about seven touches. So that's good. That means there's a strong area of demand. We got some break of the 9 here. ER's win, Tuesday pre-market. So you could get in and get out. This is gonna be a get in and get out play before ER because tomorrow is a clean day without any data or anything. So this could be a ripper right before Tuesday, and then you could just get out and decide if you want to hop back in. But I'm not bearish on them. I think they're gonna rip ER. I'm bullish. I'm calling it now. So I'm gonna stay bullish too. 115s. Yeah, you could do 115s, but if you're playing the ER and gonna hold through, you could definitely do the 120s without a problem. But they're gonna be juiced most likely, so just be cautious, all right? They're most likely gonna have the cons ripped up to the teeth in price because they know the rat is reporting. All right, so we got this one too that I like. Let's see how it looks. We got Schwab. Schwab looked interesting. Okay, I like this one. Beth Bath Body Works, right? Yep, Bath and Body Works. Sorry, Bath and Body Works. Looks good. This is a strong daily candle that knocked out about 3 days of price action. So technically, we should try to climb. I'm gonna put my alert around here for y'all. The Bollinger Band's looking over like they want to open up. It's not tight, so looks good. This looks good and this looks good. Mac and RSI. So Schwab, right? Schwab just caught my attention because I see it's ripping higher and higher, right? So let's see what's going on. Let's dissect Schwab. Bullish. Bullish. Okay. Schwab might try something. Oh, dividend days coming up. Okay. It might sell then. It might sell. I'll put it around here for Schwab. Let's, gotta pay these shareholders, man. They might sell a little bit just because of that. Yeah, if it does sell though, it's probably only gonna sell to like right here, to be honest with you, 74 level. So a little dollar drop. I'll look to get in longs if anything, if it goes to this level. But I don't like this daily pattern, like the doji red right at the top, and that usually means we're gonna come down. So it can't be a bull. Yeah, this looks bullish too though. Yeah, but it is the only thing is this is our resistance. So it's like, yeah, we could get a nice pop up and then get smacked down because it's too close. If this line was shorter, like right here, then I'll be like, yeah, we could be a bull. But that's too close to rejection. I can't be a bull. We want to get in, if anything, right before the RSI crossing. Not when it's flowing like that already, about to hit recent resistance. Another one that has ER this week. Arm, it looks good. In my opinion, it looks good. I like AMAT. I'm gonna watch Arm right on this 21 kiss, guys. 107.19. That looks good, but Everything arm looks like it might grow another arm. Everything looks good. This is about to cross finally. AMAT looks good. We got a higher low here, guys. A higher low continuation to the upside. All right. We got 1, 2 bounce, and now it needs to just break. All it has to do is break here, and we good. RSI Mac look good too. So you get the like 210 calls. You don't have to go straight out. 207, you could definitely print on 210, maybe even 212s. The beginning of the week. That's why. You got deer, we got cat. Which one is the better animal? Let's see. Nice. I like how this deer's been holding the 200 and the 50 kind of at the same time. Let me see where we can break out. I think if we get here, we're good to go. Yeah. Yep, it hasn't been here in a while. All right, let me put an alert here. Okay. Yeah, that's good. 1 second, y'all. Let me answer this phone call real quick. All right, yeah, sorry. Talk to my son. All right, cat. So deer is the better animal. The setup looks a little cleaner, in my opinion, on deer, right? And I'll tell you guys why right now. All right, see, cat hasn't even got above the 9, 50, 21, right? It looks like it can't even get above there because look, even here, look at deer. Deer cleared that already on Friday. It started clearing it Thursday, and Friday put in like a hammer candle on resistance. So is either cat the lagger or deer is lying and it's just gonna get pounded and straight rejection, but nothing's telling me reject, like nothing here, and especially on the daily. So hopefully cat is the lagger. If cat is the lagger, it's gonna print harder because it's coming from a nice supply area right here. This is a good supply. I mean demand, sorry, demand area. There's a good demand area on cat. So if demand is tight and it is a fact, it's gonna go. So I'm gonna put it around here. I think right here is, let me see, what's this level? 341, and what's this? 345. That's already $4 missed. I'll put it right in between to see, just so we won't miss such a big move, even if it's true. I'm gonna put 15 actually. Let me put 15. Let me see how that looks. Let me see how that looks. Nah, I don't like how that looks. Let's do 35. I want to see it break above the 9, a little bit more cleaner. Yeah, let's do that. Let's see what happens. Because once it cracks here, it's only got the 50, and once it gets above the 50, I think it's good to go. But if these don't move together, then we gotta wait till like, I'll say wait till like 10, maybe 10, 15. Maybe you could tell like what type of move it's having and see who's snitching. Because obviously, if this is actually a short opportunity, deer is gonna be the harder one to print off the shorts. So, pace yourself tomorrow. Be patient. All right, but I'm bullish on this play overall. Deer Alcoa. Let's see what Alcoa looks like. And GE Electric. GE Electric. Ooh, it's out of supply. Big supply. Kind of looks head and shouldery, not very perfect, but everything he looks bullish. Hmm. I gotta put two alerts on that. Okay. Real tight on the Bollinger Band. So let's see if it just disrespects it on the daily. We go for the 170 calls, right? That's what I will go for. Because if it's gonna break this, it's gonna be a strong move. $2 to $3, I promise. So that will be the long. The short op will obviously have to be up below 161, right? We go below 161, we go to 158 almost. So just watch it here, gang. 61 for the shorts. Alcoa. Okay, Alcoa. Tight range you've been trading, huh? Damn, it ripped Thursday, yo. It just rejected. Bollinger Band. All right, let me see if it's real. If it's, I picked this as a bull play, so let's see this 37.45 area for the longs. Okay, I'll put GE, Alcoa. I got AbbVie. And we got, what's this? J&J. And got one more after this and I'm done. All right. Ivy, well, I like Ivy. This is a higher low double bottom, guys. And it's respecting the 200 beautifully. This is the third bounce off. Well, not really third. More than three bounces off the 50. Because it bounced here on this wick. And then it bounced a few times here. So I'm gonna watch Ivy. RSI Mac look good too, gang. Above 165. I think it's a good area to watch. Ivy. J&J. J&J, it's making higher lows, right? Right here was the first low. Here's kind of higher low. Now a higher third low. If it holds above this 21, you see this candle on the daily Friday, right? It held right here. So I like this line that I made earlier right here. So I'm gonna put a watch on 150, 50 for the longs on J&J. Been on a beat up downtrend. And if you draw this trend line that I mentally envisioned in my head before doing it right now, you see it, it's there. Yep, it's there. So you wanted my line is basically my alert, sorry. It's basically above my TL that I just drew. Mind you, I drew that level before the TL, so there you go. This should be good. And if it holds this, oh man, we're going to 153 at least, gang. Yeah. Then we go to 152.30 and then 153 because of the Bollinger Band. And then hopefully it uses the 200 as support to try to continue up. But we look good. There's a lot of volume profile action up here. A lot up here. There's not a lot down here. So I think it should hold. All right, gang. Any names y'all want me to run through? Speak now or forever hold the
What's up,
peace.
G? What's up, G? I was saying BA Weekly. It's got the megaphone, and it looked like Zom before I seen that shit pop from 104 to
Oh, I
120.
got one more too after I look at Zom and BA. All right, bet.
Oh, no, not Zom, just BA.
Oh, all
Just
right.
BA.
So let me put the other one that I left. I want revenge on left.
Oh yeah, I remember the halves. Yeah, I
Yeah.
remember.
BA, yeah. BA. It could pull back a little bit, clap. I'll say
Hmm.
maybe here. What's this? This 177.90? Because that's the top wick
Hmm.
here. Base of these candles, like over here, base here. So it could pull back just a little bit, just because that daily is undecisive as fuck. So
Hmm.
might fuck with traders. So I'll put an alert here. But it looks super strong to go up because the RSI is very extended up. And we got a increase in this MAC too, bro. Look at this. So
Woo!
I like it. I like it to go up, bro. Nice bull play. All right, lift. Yeah, guys. So
Yeah,
these son of a
get it
guns
back.
got ER Tuesday after hours, right? I think they're gonna rip. Let me see. Well, the reason I'm saying that's because they've been holding these high team numbers through the whole quarter. So in my opinion will be if they're not doing good, they shouldn't be holding these high numbers. Let me see. Hell yeah, I like this.
Mm.
Oh, I'm putting an alert above my trend line. Hold on.
Wants to go to your white line G, the whatever's
Yeah, the
hovering over.
Bollinger Band. Yeah, that's what I'm
That's the
thinking.
Bali. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, these
Mm-hmm.
two are my bollies right here, always. Yeah. So
So
I'm waiting till we crack that. And look, the volume profile line is right above my trend line too. So that's
of
good.
course, of fucking course it is.
Yeah, so that's good.
Oh,
Let's see if we could yeah, right here. I think this is a good area to get in this. What's this? All right, 18 hold. I could do that. I could do 18 hold. Um, hopefully they're not gonna if 18 goes, I'm going for like 20. Let me see, 22s or 20s. Nah, I'll do 21 or 22 calls. But yeah, that's gonna be my entry. Think we good. Think we good after that. But we look good here. This is why I want to try to get a revenge because this looks crazy strong. The Mac and the RSI looks ready. So and
yeah.
by the way, it is coming out of demand. And as you guys see lift over here, what it does, freaking rips from there. So I'm hoping it mimics as well. So let's see what happens.
Uh, have you seen the XLUG? Uh, the sector utilities. It it's it's the most bullish out of all the fucking sectors, bro.
Yeah, it is. Wow, utilities is gone. Looks like it's getting weak though by this daily doji,
Yes, I
but
don't know if
it's
it's
been
continuation, but
freaking
or
ripping.
party's over.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Carol. Yeah, could put in another green day. Oh yeah, yep, for sure. Could put in another hot day.
Major hold in XLU is NEE cam, so that's why NEE
oh,
close kind of
NED.
NEE next era energy.
Oh,
So you'll see if you pull NEE and XLU, they look very similar.
oh
wow.
shit! I had a line right here.
Yeah,
Yeah, yep. It looks very similar. Yeah, you're right. They're
control.
basically twinning.
Yeah,
Yeah. So maybe we should watch. Might
Minion and Duke
yeah, Fang D.
D
Things
Duke.
like
Tongue day
that.
double.
Yeah,
Oh,
D,
yeah.
Fang, those Duke Energy maybe.
Yep, Duke
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah. What's the other one? ED.
Yep, that's
Yeah,
another
yeah.
one.
Trying to say them off the top of my head.
Yeah, yeah, there you go. I think
All
there's
right.
XRE,
Yeah,
X.
so we could look at some of these fucking utility names. I'll say.
You know
Let's
what
see
you
how it looks in the morning, and I'll just add them. I'll add them to the list.
PG is you usually hit that PG and that PCG, I think it is, or something like that. You've always
Mm,
not PG.
Oh, sorry, PCG.
I think
Yes.
it's PCG. Yeah, you
yeah.
always hit. That would be another one.
I hate that daily. Oof, man.
Yeah, yeah,
But yeah, it's been trending up though.
exactly like XLU.
Exactly like us. Yeah, exactly. This is probably
Mm,
gonna pull back then bounce. Yeah. All right. So yeah, well, I'll watch some little energy slash oil and whatever utility names tomorrow. I'm cool with that.
yep. Health looks next in line if
Yeah,
few
that's why I
fails.
got a few healths in there because
Yeah, that's
look next.
perfect.
Like we could have
Hmm.
played the Humana bounce on Friday. We had it on watch Thursday. The Humana had a nasty bounce right after like 5 minutes. Could have just played that shit. So let's see. I'm ready for the
Hmm.
weekend. Hopefully it's not as crazy as last week. I'll tell you that.
Was there.
All right, gang, I'm gonna upload this and hit y'all up.
GG's. All right. Thank you.
All
Catch
right,
you
man.
Thanks,
later
man.
Thank
or
you.
mañana.
All right.
Bye.